Good morning, children. This is Shashi here. So, today we are going to start the new chapter, chapter number 2, that is your addition, subtraction, and their application. Okay, I think from class 1 only you are doing this part, addition, subtraction, isn't it? So, we'll see this chapter. Whatever question we are getting, we will try to solve it. Okay. So, come to exercise 1. In question number 1, addition is there. Addition, addition, only addition is there. So, addition part I hope you can do. You have reached to class 5, that means all of you know the addition. So, this part I am not going to do. Okay. Now, second part, this also you have done, but still I would like to discuss. Subtract, check your answer by addition. Okay. So this part I'm going to discuss. Rest of the questions you can do. Okay. So one of the part with very simple example I'm going to explain how to do. Okay. Now suppose there is one number 85 minus 25. Okay. Now we have to subtract this part and we have to check whether we have done correct or not. So what we'll do? 85 minus 25. Now subtract it. 5 minus 5, how much will get? 0. And 8 minus 2, how much will get? 60. Okay. So answer we are getting 60. Now we have to check whether we have done the answer correct or not. So how we'll check? So whatever answer you have got and whatever you have subtracted, both we have to add. Both the number we have to add and we have to get equal to this 85. Okay. So 25 and this 25 and this 60 we will add. Now 5 plus 0 how much will get? 5. And 2 plus 6 how much will get? 8. So how much we are getting? 85. So this 85 and this 85 we are getting same. That means whatever subtraction we have done, it is correct. Got it? So this is the way. First you subtract and check by addition, and in addition whatever if you are getting the first part, that means you have done correct. In the same way you have to do. Okay. Now look at here, question number 2. Subtract, check your answer by addition. Same way. So question number A I am going to solve for you. This is given 5 4 6 6 7 8 minus 9 7 6 1 2. We have to subtract these two part and after addition we have to check whether we have done correct or not. Okay. So what is given? Question number 2A. What is given here? 5 4 then 6 6 7 8. And how much you have to subtract? 97,612. Okay, we have to subtract this part. Now you subtract 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2, how much you will get? 6. Then 7 minus 1, how much you will get? 6. Then 6 minus 6, how much you will get? 0. Then 6 minus 7, we cannot subtract, so we'll borrow. It will become 16. 16 minus 7 will get 9. Then here 3 will be left. From 3 we cannot subtract 9, so again we'll borrow. So 13 minus 9 will get 4, and here it is borrowed, so here how much will get? 44906. Okay, this much answer we have got. Now we have to check, have we got the answer correct or not? Have we got the answer correct? We have to check it. So what we'll do? This two part we will add and we'll see whether it is coming equal to this or not. Okay. So just you add it. How much we have got? So 9. Don't do here. Okay. So 9. First of all you'll write check. Okay. So 9 7 6 1 2 and you have to add how much? 6, 6, then 0, 9, then 4 and 4. Both this you have to add it. Now add. So 2 plus 6, how much you will get? 8. Then 1 plus 6, how much you will get? 7. Then 6 plus 0, how much you will get? 6. Then 7 plus 9, how much you will get? 16. 1 carried. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 4. 14. 1 carried. So 1 will be here. So 4 plus 1, how much you will get? 5. Now look at here. 5, 4, 7, 6, 6, 7, 8. 5, 4, 6, 6, 7, 8. Are we getting the same? Both this part and this part, are we getting the same? We are getting same. So this is correct. Okay. So this way you have to do. First of all, you subtract, and whatever answer you are getting, so these two you have to add, and after adding it should be equal to this part. Okay, so we have got the same part, that means it is correct. Okay, so rest of the question number B, C, D, E, F will be your homework. Then question number this A part already I have done. In the same way you will do rest of the questions. Got it? Now coming to question number 3. One more thing, question number 1 also all the questions you will do in your copy. It is addition only, simply you have to do. So question number 1 and question number 2 is your homework. Now come to question number 3. Okay, so question number 3 is given. Salini bought 2 plots of land, one for rupees 1,23,456 rupees and other for 2,01,678 rupees. So the question is, how much money did she spend altogether? Means one plot she is buying for this much rupees and another plot of land she is buying for this much rupees. So total how much she is spending altogether. Okay. So understand with one simple example. So if I'll ask you, one pen you are buying for 5 rupees, then one pencil you are buying for 3 rupees. Okay, so together how much you are spending? Altogether how much you are spending in buying both these? So total how much you are spending? 5 rupees pen, 5 rupees pen, 3 rupees pencil. So total how much you are spending? 5 plus 3. Okay, so total you are spending 8 rupees, isn't it? So total you are spending 8 rupees. So what we are doing? We are adding both the cost. So same way we have to do in the previous question. Okay. So in question number 3a, what is question? How much money did she spend altogether? So 2 plots. So plot 1, what is the cost? Cost is 1,23,456 rupees. This is the cost of first plot. Okay. Now plot 2, second plot, for how much money is she spending? 2 lakh, then 1,000 and 678 rupees. This much money. Now all together how much she is spending? All together how much she is spending? So what we'll write? We have to add both this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you add this one, 2, 0, 1, 6, 7, 8. Just you add it, then you will get the total amount. Okay, so 8 plus 6, how much you will get? 14, 14, 4, 1 carried, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 6 plus 7, 13, so 3, 1 carried, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 6, 11, again 1 carried, so 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. then 2 0 2 and 2 plus 1 1 plus 2 3. So altogether she is spending this much rupees. So this is your answer 3A. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now question number 3B. By how much was the second plot of land more expensive than the first? Means how much the second plot is this much, 2 lakh 1678, and this plot of land was how much expensive, how much more money it is than the first plot of land. Okay, how much more it is? Like pen is of rupees 5 and pencil is of rupees 3, then pen is how much more than pencil? How much? 2 more. So how we are getting? 5 minus 3 if we'll do, then we'll get 2, isn't it? So same way we have to do this part also. Now so 3B, what we have to do? First plot 1. What is the cost of plot 1? Plot 1 cost is how much? 1,23,456. And cost of plot 2? Plot 2, what is the cost? 2 lakh, then 1,678. Okay, now this plot is how much more than this? So what we have to do? We have to subtract this one. So 2 0 1 6 7 8 minus 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have to subtract this part. So 8 minus 6, how much will get? 2. 7 minus 5, how much will get? 2. Then 6 minus 4, how much will get? 2. Then 1 minus 3, from 1 we cannot subtract, so from here we'll borrow. Again here it is 0, so again we'll borrow from here. So this will become 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 3 will get 8. Here 9 is left. 9 minus 2, 7. And here it is borrowed, so 1. 1 minus 1 will get 0. So how much we are getting? Second plot is 78,222 rupees more than the first. Okay, so you have understood this part. So question number 4 and 5, these two questions you'll try to solve on your own. Okay, so too many homework you have got today. Question number 1, all the questions. Question number 2, all the questions is your homework. Then question 3 I have already solved, so that also you have to do in your copy, and 4 and 5 you have to do on your own. So tomorrow we'll start the new exercise of this chapter. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. See you in the next class tomorrow. Okay, thank you.